My bird of paradise is blooming and looks so pretty. And the honeybees and other bees, hummingbirds, they all like it. So I planted some over here to help block the wind, and plus give the chickens some shade from the evening sun. And if they get scared, this is right where they run. If they're running into their chicken pen, they run under the bush. I think it's just their instincts to run under bush. And plus, I don't have to water them in here. Hey girls, what are you want to interview? What are you talking about? Do you like the backyard? I bet you do. And I'll show you some more. I put some back in here, let them get tall. And I might keep them tall for a while until they start falling over. I do see a bee up there. But all kinds of bees. I don't think that's a honeybee. I think that's something else. Some kind of bee. But it feeds a lot of insects and the birds. This is my walkway. That's why I'm thinking about cutting it. I had a string over here pushing it over because it gets right in the walkway. And so next year I might cut them back or keep them. I don't know. But I do like that look. So pretty. Here's one of the bird of paradise coming up. Right there. They get to be like a weed. So sometimes you have to cut them down. What happens, they get this seed pod and it swells up. Like a balloon, like somebody blowed up a balloon. And then it's the gas inside of it. And you can hear them popping. They explode. And when they do, they throw out the seed. So anybody grows them, you have to think about that because they do spread. And yeah, got like little shotguns going off. And that's why I got so many. I do want to plant some bird paradise out here. And because it draws the birds or hummingbirds and the bees out here, and I want the bees like coming out here. Right now I got a lot of greenery. It's not going to be much attracted to honeybees yet, but sometime I'll get some out here. I do have a pecan tree coming up here, and I'm gonna have to cut that wire and let it be free. I'll probably leave it here since it's about pretty big now, and just let it grow up. It's out of the way, so I don't mind it. But it's tangled up in my fence, and I'll need to fix that for the future and not let it be a mess, because the wire will cut it. Just want to show you, I got bird paradise all the way down to there by the road. Hey, no, you stay. And then I got them over here. And that grader that comes down here and grades the road, he really gets close to my bird paradise. And wax them sometimes. But anyway, because they do spread so much, look at there, across the road. Somehow them seeds got clear over there, and there's one right there. So that's pretty interesting. Somebody's trying to get out the gate. Yeah, that don't feel good, does it? Well, thanks for watching. I know you want to come out with Mama. Thanks for watching Out West Homestead. And I do love these bird of paradise. Bye. Hey, can you say bye to everybody? I know you'd like to get out here and walk out on the road, but you can't do it. I don't think I ever seen a bird of paradise ever get that tall. It's amazing.